How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 12 Retro in the Indigo colorway. This pair dropped back on August 22nd for $190 US or $255 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Stone Blue, Legend Blue, and Obsidian, and I wanted to give a huge thank you over to The Closet Inc. for hooking me up with this pair. For all my Canadian viewers, The Closet Inc. is an independent sneaker boutique operating 2 locations out of Southern Ontario here in Canada. So if you guys haven't heard of them by now, I'll link their website, their Instagram, all that good stuff down below. So here's a quick look at the box, and as you can tell, this comes in a special edition box just for this shoe. This is done in this all white colored cardboard, and at the very top we have this indigo splat pattern with the Jumpman logo in the center. As for the shoes, to many people these look very similar to the Obsidian Jordan 12s, but the main difference between the two is this shade of blue on this pair is a bit lighter. So taking a deep dive into the sneaker, the majority of the upper is constructed out of this stone blue colored leather. However, the most unique thing about this shoe is this indigo blue on the upper. This will actually fade away with time and with wear, giving each and every shoe a very unique and a very personalized look. And then overlaid on top of the sides of the shoe, we have this white colored leather. And unlike your traditional Jordan 12, this leather is smooth and it doesn't have that bumpy basketball-like finish to it like most Jordan 12s do. So on the lateral side, this is a much longer strip of white leather compared to the medial side, which is shorter. Below this, we have this white colored TPU, and we have the word Jumpman debossed on the lateral side. The second and third eyelets are done in this metallic silver finish, and they incorporate these Jumpman logos on it as well. On the back heel, we have this nylon pull tab, and it incorporates the standard Jordan branding on it, and then below this, we have the number 23, and in this case, this is done in this dark blue obsidian color. For the laces, these come with this legend blue colored rope style lace, and the interior of the shoe and the back end of the tongue are also lined in this legend blue colored textile. And then taking out the insoles, you can see these are just your standard Jordan brand insoles, and we have the Jumpman logo on the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 12s sits atop this foam midsole, which is primarily painted in white. We have this bumpy basketball-like finish to it on the forefoot, and this hit of blue on the back heel. Encased within this midsole but not visible to the eye, we do have a full-length Zoom Air unit for cushioning and comfort. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Jordan 12 outsole. So for the most part, this is done in this white colored rubber. We have these pods of obsidian rubber on the forefoot and the back heel with this herringbone traction pattern, and it's accented with this legend blue colored Jumpman and the number 23 on the top of the shoe. Exposed in the middle, we have this carbon fiber shank plate as well to give you that torsional rigidity and support. So that covers the look of this shoe. In terms of how these fit, to me these fit like all my other Jordan 12s, so I personally stuck true to size. I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I usually go with a size 10 for Jordan 12s. However, if you have narrow or normal width feet, or if you just like a really snug fit, then I've heard a lot of people go a half size down as well. So it really depends on how you like your shoes to fit, but basically whatever size you normally are in Jordan 12s, I'd stick with that same size. So the Jordan 12, it does incorporate a full-length Zoom Air unit. However, straight out of the box, I feel like the Jordan 12 isn't the most comfortable Jordan out there. First and foremost, because it's very clunky, pretty heavy, and it does require some break in time. The more you wear them, the more comfy they feel. So don't be too discouraged if you feel like they're very clunky and pretty uncomfortable straight out of the box. With all that being said now, let's lace up these Indigo Jordan 12s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, I'd have to say I'm not mad at this pair. It's definitely not the Obsidian 12s, and I know a lot of people were disappointed that these came out instead of the OGs. Still, Jordan Brand, as we know, loves to tease us with colorways that are very similar to the ones we really want. And I gotta say, as far as a retro plus sneaker goes, this is a pretty dope looking shoe. And though I'm not gonna manually distress this myself, I'm curious to see how these will look in say 5-10 years down the road. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these Air Jordan 12 Indigos. Was this a cop or a drop for you? And how do you feel about the Jordan 12 in general? And what do you think about these sort of gimmicks that sneaker brands do, such as the fading away finish on these Indigos? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Another huge shout out goes out to The Closet Inc., and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.